Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury. Today, we are inside the Rolls-Royce Motor Cars factory in Goodwood, England, a place where craftsmanship matters more than speed. This is not a typical car factory. Here, every Rolls-Royce is built by hand with extreme attention to detail. From design to final inspection, each car is treated as a masterpiece. In this video, you'll see how a Rolls-Royce is created, step by step, inside the very factory where luxury comes to life.
Every Rolls-Royce begins with a vision, the customer's vision. Before production starts, designers work closely with each client to create a car that is completely personal. From exterior colors to interior leather, wood veneers, stitching, and finishes, almost every detail can be customized. Some customers even request unique symbols, initials, or one-of-a-kind colors. Inside this factory, there is no standard model. Each Rolls-Royce is designed to reflect the lifestyle, taste, and personality of its future owner. The foundation of every Rolls-Royce is its aluminum space frame. This structure is lightweight, extremely strong, and designed to deliver maximum comfort and stability. Inside the factory, skilled technicians carefully assemble the frame by hand. Each section is precisely measured and fitted to ensure perfect alignment and balance. Once the space frame is complete, body panels are added with great care. This process creates the solid, smooth body that gives Rolls-Royce its iconic presence on the road. The painting process is where a Rolls-Royce truly begins to shine. Each car is painted inside a controlled, dust-free environment to achieve a flawless finish. Multiple layers of paint are carefully applied, with hand polishing between each layer. This creates the deep, mirror-like gloss that Rolls-Royce is famous for. One of the most distinctive details is the coach line, the thin stripe along the side of the car. This line is painted entirely by hand, in a single motion, making every Rolls-Royce unique. Inside the factory, luxury is crafted by hand. Only the finest leather is selected for a Rolls-Royce interior, chosen carefully to ensure it is smooth, clean, and flawless. Each hide is cut and stitched by skilled craftsmen with perfect alignment and attention to detail. Alongside the leather, natural wood veneers are shaped, matched, and polished to create a warm and elegant cabin. Every stitch, surface, and finish is inspected closely. The result is an interior that feels timeless, refined, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce. As the car nears completion, all major components come together. The engine, advanced technology, electronics, and suspension are carefully installed by expert engineers. Every system is tested and calibrated to ensure a smooth, silent, and effortless driving experience. Finally, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy is mounted on the hood, a symbol of elegance, heritage, and excellence. With this final touch, the Rolls-Royce begins to feel complete. Before leaving the factory, every Rolls-Royce goes through strict quality control. Each car is carefully inspected, inside and out, to ensure it meets the highest standards of perfection. The vehicle is tested for performance, comfort, sound, and finish. Even the smallest detail is checked and rechecked. Only when everything is flawless is the car approved for delivery. This is the final reveal, a Rolls-Royce crafted to perfection and ready for its owner.